Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Pixel Retouch Academy. So I have something exciting for you guys. All right, so just stick with me. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT. Like I said, ChatGPT to change your background images for free. All right, so this video is helpful for those who don't have the resource or the money to subscribe to do their monthly subscription, or we all know that that's a lot of money to subscribe their monthly subscription or yearly subscription. So if you don't have the money to subscribe, don't worry, I got you. All right, so just watch this video to the end to see how I do it. Now I want to show you how to use ChatGPT to change your background, studio background. Okay, so this is actually for those who do photo manipulation a lot on Photoshop, and then they don't know how to also do photo manipulation. Those are the two group of people I want to address in this video. Okay, so enough talk. Let's see what we can do with ChatGPT. Now, like I said, it's for free. If all you just need to do is to sign up. Once you sign up, you are gonna get ChatGPT free. And before you do your normal subscription, there are limited images you can generate, like I said. Okay, but don't worry about the limited image you can generate. I'm just going to show you a free way to do that easily. Okay, so now let's jump right into Photoshop and ChatGPT. Now this is my image, and this is what I got from the first generation. So I can just click on it so you see how it looks. This is how it looks currently. So let's take it back, and this is the image I wanted to replicate. Okay, so and this is where I want to transfer. This is my studio shot, of which I've already edited it. Okay, so this is how it looks, and now I want to transfer, meaning I want to replicate this background. I want this background to be on this one. Okay, so here's the prompt I actually told ChatGPT. I said, hello Thomas. Yes, I actually renamed my ChatGPT Thomas. That's the name I gave it. Okay, so now I said change the background of the second picture, meaning I uploaded first picture, which is the image I want to replicate, or the background I love, and then I said, and I uploaded the second one, which is my studio background. Okay. All right, so now, and I said change the background of the second picture to the first one with a golden background, and do not change the subject of the second picture. So I'm always addressing the second picture while making reference to the first picture. And then I said do not change the subject of the background, only the background. That means only the background of the first picture. You can tell it anything you want anyway. And I said replicate same background of the first image, and also color grade the final result like the first image, so it has golden skin and all, but the subject should remain the same and realistic. Let also the background effect be present. So I told ChatGPT what I want, and this is a free version. You can see over here it's actually free, and they're actually telling me to upgrade, of which when I want to upgrade, I can upgrade anytime I like. So once you open up ChatGPT or register, you're going to get this free. But you have limited images. So here's what I do, and this is what I do. Once I get this one, and ChatGPT generated the image for me. Now right now I've not downloaded it yet. I'm going to download it and take it to Photoshop, and then use this image to blend it in. Okay, or I can just leave it like that, just the way I have. Now for those of you who have a lot of image, I know that question will come to your mind. You have a lot of image you want to transfer that background into. This is what you're going to do, because I'm also in that category. This is what I do. This is why I address it. Once I download the picture, I can also tell ChatGPT to, let's see now. I can tell ChatGPT, let's do that. Let's say remove the, okay, let's make it remove the subject on the first image and give me the background. Anyhow I want to write it. Give me the background only, just the background and the effects. Let's see if this will be okay. So let's click enter, and it's going to generate that. But before it generates that, now once I get the background and with the way it is, all I just need to do is to take that background to Photoshop, and I cut the other image, whatever it is, and then start putting it in and blending it the way I want to blend it in. So but if it is just one particular image, I can upload as many as I want in ChatGPT, and you can see, okay, our image is ready. So now here we have it. So with this one, I can transfer any image into this, any of the subjects into this one by using photo manipulation, which is very, very easy for me to do, but I don't want the video to be long. I just want to show you how to replicate the same background using ChatGPT. So with this one now, I'm ready to do my photo manipulation and then cut out and blend it in the way I want it to. And it's very, very easy to blend in Photoshop right now. If you want to know how to blend the images in Photoshop, just using one click, or the what's it called now, the Photoshop tool that actually came with Photoshop that you can use in blending any image, you can actually hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button, because I'm going to drop that video very soon. So this is how to use ChatGPT, any ChatGPT. You can just copy this prompt and use it on any of your image, and you are good to go. All right, so if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section.